Imagine being torn from your community, locked away in a facility where basic human dignity is stripped away, and forced to sign documents you don't understand, all while being denied access to legal help. This is the chilling reality advocates say immigrants face at a Chicago area ICE facility, prompting a lawsuit that's sparking fierce debate. On Friday, attorneys from the ACLU of Illinois and the MacArthur Justice Center took federal authorities to court, accusing them of maintaining inhumane conditions at the Broadview Immigration Facility. But here's where it gets controversial. They claim U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement ICE agents have created a black box of secrecy, blocking Congress members, faith leaders, journalists, and even attorneys from entering the building. This lack of oversight, they argue, has allowed authorities to act with impunity. The lawsuit alleges detainees are being coerced into signing paperwork they don't understand, unknowingly waiving their rights and facing deportation. Is this a necessary measure for national security or a blatant violation of human rights? The debate is far from settled. Alexa Van Brunt, lead attorney for the lawsuit, paints a grim picture. People are being kidnapped off the streets, packed into overcrowded cells, denied food, medical care, and basic necessities, and forced to sign away their legal rights. She emphasizes everyone, no matter their legal status, deserves access to counsel and humane treatment. The 76-page class action lawsuit describes the facility as extremely cramped, with a putrid smell of feces, urine, and body odor. Insects infest sinks, and clogged toilets leave urine on the floor. One detainee recounted people lying on top of each other, even in bathrooms, just to find a place to sleep. They treated us like animals, or worse, one woman stated. And this is the part most people miss. The lawsuit accuses ICE, the Department of Homeland Security, DHS, and U.S. Customs and Border Protection of violating detainees' Fifth Amendment right to due process and First Amendment right to legal counsel. Advocates are demanding the court force these agencies to improve conditions immediately. DHS has dismissed these claims, insisting detainees receive proper meals, medical care, and communication access. But advocates, activists, and even members of Congress have raised alarms for months, calling the facility a de facto detention center where up to 200 people at a time are held without legal representation. The Broadview Center has also become a flashpoint for protests, leading to arrests and a separate lawsuit. Protesters and journalists claim federal agents violated their First Amendment rights by using tear gas and other weapons against them. U.S. District Judge Sarah Ellis recently ruled in their favor, requiring agents to wear badges and banning certain riot control tactics. She later mandated body cameras after concerns arose about compliance. But here's the question that lingers. How do we balance border security with the fundamental rights of individuals? Is the treatment of detainees at Broadview an isolated incident or a symptom of a larger systemic issue? We want to hear from you. Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's keep this critical conversation going.